Hi there. Welcome to this grounded view session by Koyo Sage, and today I'm going to cover 7 principles of digital transformation. We recently concluded a research study that helped us discover 24 digital transformation leader enterprises across 16 industries. We obtained a set of common principles that these 24 digital transformation leader enterprises exhibited. And I'm going to talk about these 7 principles very briefly here. The first principle is the principle of holism. We witnessed across the digital transformation leader enterprises is that their focus on digital transformation is not focused on just one domain or one side of an enterprise. Rather, it is spread across business domains, be it customer facing, be it supply chain, be it operations, or the supporting functions of HR and IT. The holism also exhibits itself in terms of focus on all the 3 layers of a digital enterprise. And what are these 3 layers? The first is the layer of technology, the second is the layer of business processes, and the third is the layer of business initiatives. We found that the focus of the 24 digital transformation leader enterprises to varying degrees has been on all the 3 layers. Second principle is the principle of competing agendas. What I mean by saying competing agendas is that organizations are increasingly required to address imperatives that are incompatible with each other. They are inherently opposing each other. So if you look at the 3 business imperatives, the 3 core business imperatives of business agility, operational efficiency, and risk management, we'll see that if an organization has an unduly focus on one, the other 2 suffer. So one comes at the cost of other 2. How do you balance and continue by focusing on all the 3? Where it requires organizations to look at the cusp of these imperatives and address them through digital. So organizations are increasingly focusing on managing the inherently incompatible agendas or imperatives that they are facing today. The third principle is the principle of structures of change. So organizations at different levels, be it at a strategic level, be it at identifying what initiatives to undertake at a functional level, or be it at the project management level. They are creating structures that enable them to undertake change. And if we combine this with the principle of holism, these structures of change have to correspond to different layers or different domains of the business. The fourth is the principle of collaboration and organization-wide learning. So new learning environments enabled by digital are being created. New ways in which organizations, this is in a way supportive of the principle of structures of change, where digital is enabling collaboration to happen. And it is through collaboration that the need for change, the energy for change, and the momentum for change is being created. The fifth principle is the principle of modern infrastructure. Many enterprises traveling the digital transformation path realize at some point in time that the enterprise architecture and the IT infrastructure and applications no more support the digital initiatives that they want to run. They need to design and define a new enterprise architecture and infrastructure that is modular, virtualized, cloud native, as against just being simply cloud enabled, automated, agile, and secured. The sixth principle is the principle of enterprise scale. How do important technology pieces that support digital transformation are managed at an enterprise scale rather than in a piecemeal basis? And there are 4 important components here: data management, business process management, emerging technologies like AI, ML, big data analytics, IoT, RPA and blockchain, and IT infrastructure management and security. The seventh principle is the principle of data centricity. And when I say data centricity, it does not only mean interesting and innovative use cases that are being put with the help of emerging technologies, weaving data, but also the entire set of capabilities that an organization develops in terms of collecting, collating, and processing the data. How much of automation has happened in the entire data management processes is what determines the quality of this seventh principle. So these are the 7 principles that we have seen being exhibited across the digital transformation leader enterprises to varying degree, and we believe that they present a compelling template for organizations which are undergoing digital transformation and serves as a guiding principle for them to see if they are addressing all the critical requirements of a big bang transformation. We look forward to your views on these 7 principles and what new perspectives you can add from your experience so that they can be further defined in a much more holistic manner. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.